Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay. Did you study last class what we learned?
Yes.
Did you complete the notes?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. I will check your notebook. Okay.
Excellent.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes. Some are coming now. Please wait 2 minutes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Take your textbook. Page number. Last class. Where we stop? Page number 8. Second paragraph over. Today we are going to start third paragraph.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Yes,
ma'am.
good morning.
Good
Yes.
morning, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Fine. How are you?
Fine. Thank you.
Yes.
Fine.
Okay. Rain is there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Here also heavy rain.
Yes, ma'am. I'm here also very heavy rain.
Ah,
Very
yes.
small rain. I'm here also.
Ah, yes. Today
I'm
Karkida.
here very small rain.
Yes. Okay.
Hello, Rishi.
Hmm.
Are you fine, ma'am?
Yes. Okay. Have you connection problem if rain is going on?
No. No,
No,
ma'am.
no. Yes. Very good. Okay. Okay.
In between.
In between. Okay. See. Some are coming now. Only 24 participants.
Rishi,
Where is your
because of
friends?
rain.
Where they went?
Rishi,
Huh?
I don't know. Ma'am,
You don't
maybe
know.
because of rain.
Oh, because of rain. That's why they can't. Yes. They are coming by bus, school bus.
No. No, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes. Who will read last chapter? Ryan? Ryan Riju? Please read. Please read last chapter.
Page number.
Page number 8, first 2 paragraphs. Please read. Other students, please listen. Ryan will read. Other, please wait. Ryan, please read.
Ma'am, can I read?
Ryan, now Ryan will read.
The first one.
सोमवार को लोमड़ी के घर दावत दी Randir, please mute your mic. Next. More. Oh, Ryan, not clear. Stop. Maybe. Mega. Mega, please read. Yes.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
read Mega.
सोमवार को लोमड़ी के घर
Yes.
दावत दी.
Yes.
तोता
कोयल
कोयल no ma'am मोर तोता कोयल हिरन खरगोश सब लोमड़ी के घर चले जा रहे थे.
Yes, okay. मोती की माला और
धोती
पहने
लोमड़ी
दरवाजे पर
दरवाजे पर का
घड़ी दी.
घड़ी थी.
Yes.
घड़ी थी.
उसने
उसने 1 minute.
आगे बढ़कर
उसने आगे बढ़कर
सबको
गले लगाया.
गले लगाया. Yes, Meghna, stop it. Gurjit, continue. Gurjit, continue. Cotton pataloon. Gurjit, please continue. Gurjit, please continue. Gurjit, please continue.
From where?
Cotton pataloon. Second paragraph, second line. Cotton pataloon पहने.
Cotton balloon
पहने.
Ma'am, I'm not getting that paragraph.
पहने. मोटू बालू. मोटू बालू से the word.
बालू ढोलक
बजा रहा था.
बजा रहा था.
ढोलक की दाप पर नाच शुरू हुआ. Yes, stop it. Sarah, continue. Sarah, more.
Ma'am, I don't have my textbook with
Why
me.
you didn't collect, Sarah?
Ma'am, I didn't. I'm in another house.
Okay. Don't waste time. Deksha, continue. More chum kar. Deksh, please unmute. Don't waste your time.
More.
Chum. नाचने. नाचने लगे. नाचने लगा. दक्ष, read. I will help you. कोयल ने गीत गाया. तभी तोते ने शोर मचाया. सब मिलकर गोल गोल घूमकर नाचने लगे. Yes, Devadatt, please read. Beginning onwards, please read Devadatt. Other students, please listen. Very. Yes, beginning onwards, Devadatt. Somawar.
लोमड़ी के
Catherine, please mute your mic. खरगोश सभी
लोमड़ी के घर के और चले जा रहे थे.
Very good. Continue.
मोती की माला और टोपी पहने लोमड़ी दरवाजे पर खड़ी थी.
Yes. Other students, please listen.
आगे बढ़कर सबको गले लगाया.
Very good. Cotton pataloon
पहने मोटू बालू बजा रहा था.
Yes, मोटू बालू ढोलक बजा रहा था. Students, please listen. मोटू बालू क्या गुरुजी देवदत्त, please wait there. मोटू बालू क्या बजा रहा था?
ढोलक बजा रहा था.
ढोलक बजा रहा था. Yes, continue. देवदत्त, please continue. ढोलक की
याद
दाप पर
नाच शुरू हुआ.
Yes. झूम कर
नाचने लगा.
Yes.
कोयल ने गीत गाया.
कोयल ने क्या किया?
गीत गाया.
Yes. तभी
double coffee ने
शोर मचाया.
चाया.
शोर मचाया इसका अर्थ क्या है? शोर मचाया.
Like sound.
Yes, yes, very good. सब
मिलकर गले लगा.
गोल गोल.
गले
गोल गोल घूमकर
गोल गोल पर नाचने लगे.
नाचने लगे. Then next one, I will share board. Wait. Wait 1 minute. Coming.
I can see.
Wait there. Wait. Are you seeing?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Next one. 1 minute. Sorry. Are you seeing?
This is the. Yes, ma'am, we can see.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I can see. Yes, yes, ma'am, I can see. Can see. Yes. No, ma'am, I can see. Ma'am, now I can see. No, I can see. Now I can't see.
Yes. Wait there. Yes. Abel, are you seeing? Yes or no?
Yes.
Gurujit, are you seeing?
Yes.
Yes. Other students, check your connection. Maybe that. Yes. Next one. Last paragraph. Listen. Where कुछ देर बाद meaning after some time. कुछ देर बाद right there meaning after some time. Yes. कुछ देर बाद after some time. Yes, right there. कुछ देर बाद after some time. Next, khana means food. Khana, food. Parosa gaya. Khana, right, meaning there, food. Yes.
Ma'am, we want to write.
Right there. Last class we wrote there, no? Like that, right? Meaning. I am writing here. Are you seeing that? Right. Kana. Parosa gaya. Parosa. Hello?
Today I have test.
No, today no test. Before test, I will send message. Amal?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I will send message. Next one. Okay, next. Perosa meaning served. S-E-R-V-E-D. Served. Which after some time the food served. Okay. Next one. Sabko. Last class I told sabko meaning everyone. Sabko. Zorom ki boog. Yes. Say.
Speaking Megha, I don't have more space to write.
Maybe your handwriting, big handwriting. I told no, if you they have there no place, page number 9, right there. Take page number 9. One column is there, right there. Okay. Next one. Next. Some notebook.
Ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am.
क्या हुआ?
In the text.
In the text. Last class where we wrote in the text itself. Usually we are writing meaning there itself. Last year also we did same method. Yes. Next one. Some textbook book spelling wrong. Book. Book. Some textbook I saw uki matra, that is wrong. Book. Uki matra. All the textbook, please correct. Book legidi. Book. Please correct. Check spelling. सबको जोरों की book. Book लगी. Everyone was hungry. Book meaning hungry. 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 Okay. सबको जोरों की भूख लगी थी. Everyone was hungry. Next one. Yes. सब मिलकर together समोसे. Samose meaning samosas. Then दाल मोठ snacks. Snack. Samosa, दाल मोठ or snacks. Yes, dal. चढ़कर गाये. Some notebook I am seeing instead of गाये. Some notebook I am seeing gaye. Gaye. Some notebook I saw gaye. That is wrong. Gaye correct. Okay. दाल मोठ चढ़कर गाये. Some notebook I saw gaye. That is wrong. Okay. Cut and write. Gaye. Not gaye.
In my textbook it is correct.
Correct. Some old textbook I saw wrong. Okay. Correct. I got one textbook that was wrong. So, any textbook are you seeing this gaye? That is wrong. Right? Gaye. Clear? सब मिलकर समोसे और दाल मोठ चढ़कर खाए. Yes. Next one. मोटू बालू इसका अर्थ क्या है? मोटू लास्ट क्लास में fat. Okay. बालू yes. मोटू बालू ने शरबत. What is meaning शरबत? Juice. Sarbat we are using that word usually. Yes, common word. Sarbat ki. Next, puri bottle, not puri bottle. Ki matra. Puri bottle. Bottle meaning bottle. Puri bottle. खाली कर दी. खाली meaning इसका अर्थ क्या है? Empty. खाली कर दी. Empty. EMPTIED. खाली कर दी. Empty. खाली कर दी. कौन खाली कर दी शरबत की पूरी बोतल? मोटू बालू. Okay, मोटू बालू. Fill in the blanks. डैश ने शरबत की पूरी बोतल खाली कर दी. डैश ने बालू. Yes, मोटू बालू. Otherwise मोटू बालू ने डैश की पूरी बोतल खाली कर दी. शरबत. Next one. गोभी meaning गोभी कौन है? Cauliflower. गोभी cauliflower. Full गोभी we are using. और दाल बड़ी मसेदार दी. मसेदार meaning क्या है? मसेदार tasty. Yes, मसेदार tasty. Daksha, what are you doing there? Are you writing Daksha?
No, ma'am.
Why you didn't write? Where is your textbook? Daksh? Why you didn't write meaning there? Huh? Daksh,
Ma'am, I read. Yeah.
are you writing?
Now I read.
Now you wrote. I will ask all meaning now itself. After the class, you should read this chapter and say all meaning. Daksh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay?
Yes.
When I start class, I told write all meaning. Yes, masedar, masedar, tasty. Tasty, masedar, tasty. Okay. Next one. Roti ka tokara. Tokara meaning basket. Basket. Roti meaning roti itself. Basket. Tokara, basket. गाली हो गया. गाली हो गया.
Finish.
Finish. Okay. गाली हो गया. Okay. हाँ. रोटी का टोकरा भी गाली हो गया. Finish. दाश का टोकरा भी गाली हो गया. क्या है? दाश का रोटी. Yes.
Roti ka.
Yes. Yes. Next one. खाना गाकर. खाना गाकर meaning after having food. Yes. सब बेखुद गुश दे. Gush meaning gush. Last year we learned. Gush. Happy. Very good. Okay. Everyone was very happy after having food. Yes. Next one. घर जाते हुए. घर जाते हुए meaning when they are going to home after दावत. Yes. सभी लोमड़ी की दावत की तारीफ कर दे. तारीफ meaning praise. Praise. तारीफ. Yes. T-R-A-I-S-E. Yes. On the way home, everyone was praising Lomadi's feast. They told it was very good feast. Clear? Once more I will read. Listen. कुछ देर बाद, please mute your mic and read. Please mute your mic and read. Where you are reading, touch your finger there. Check spelling. Check meaning. Okay. मेरे साथ पढ़ो. See. Read. कुछ देर बाद खाना परोसा गया. सबको जोरों की. Mute your mic. Please mute your mic and read. Next one. जोरों की भूख लगी थी. सब मिलकर समोसे और दाल मोठ चढ़ कर गए. मोटू बालू ने शरबत की पूरी बोतल. Who is talking there? पूरी बोतल खाली कर दी. गोभी और दाल बड़ी मजेदार दी. रोटी का टोकरा भी गाली हो गया. गाना गाकर सब बहुत खुश थे. घर जाते हुए सभी लोमड़ी की दावत की तारीफ कर रहे थे. Okay. Next, please read last paragraph. Next, please read.
Which page? 8.
Page number 8. Last paragraph. Please read and say the meaning.
From
Start. Last paragraph. कुछ देर बाद. Today what we learn that. Dex, start. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, Dex, start. कुछ देर बाद
कुछ देर
ah,
numbers
Dex.
yes ma'am
Yes. कुछ
ma'am
देर
I
बाद
numbers
that Dex. Did you understand?
yes
What happened? Are you playing there?
no ma'am
Uh,
I'm writing that
Then read. Please read. Read it. कुछ देर बाद Start. Don't waste time. कुछ देर बाद Yes, Dex.
that
Very good. Next class, I will call you first. Yes, Dex.
yes ma'am
Clear. You should read full chapter and explain. Yes. Next.
And then make it to telling get a time for tomorrow morning.
Okay.
You can go on the
Then, Megha, please read last paragraph. Megha will read. Other students, touch your finger there. Read it. Check spelling. Megha, start.
ma'am third paragraph
Third paragraph, Megha.
का को
Ah,
I'm that board I'm not getting
Megha, I will help you. Start.
the first word ma'am
कुछ देर बाद
कुछ देर बाद
Asim, listen. Where is your finger? Touch your finger there.
कुछ देर बाद
Check spelling. कुछ देर बाद
कुछ देर बाद
खाना
खाना खाना पार
परोसा गया.
परोसा गया
Yes.
कुछ देर बाद खाना परोसा गया
Yes. Okay.
सबको जोरों की भूख लगी थी
भूख लगी थी. Yes.
भूख लगी थी सब
मिलकर
मिलकर
समोसे और दाल मोठ
खा रहे थे
चढ़कर गाए. Anthony Harrison, please continue from there. Anthony Harrison.
I don't got book
No, didn't get. Okay, very good. Amal Fayaz, please read. Amal Fayaz. Yes. Amal, read. Motu Balu ne. Yes. शरबत की पूरी बोतल गाली कर दी. कर दी. Yes. Next. Continue. Amaya, please continue. Amaya AS. Please unmute. Amaya. गोभी और Amaya, please continue. गोभी और Amaya, don't waste time. Amaya, wait there. Wasim, please read. Wasim mother. Amaya, wait there. Wasim, continue. Gobi or dal. Last paragraph. Gobi.
गोभी
Ah,
और
dal.
दाल
Ah,
बड़ी
bedi.
मोजे
Masedar.
मसेदार
Di.
दी
Masedar di. Say.
मसेदार दी
Next one. Roti. Roti ka.
रोटी की
Ka.
रोटी का
Tokarabi. Tokarabi. Able, listen here. I told touch your finger there where you are reading. Yes. Kali ho gaya.
खाली हो गया The sound is cracking.
Yes, wait. Devadatt. Yes, wait. Enough. Devadatt, please continue. Yes, wait. Not clear.
Sound is cracking.
Amal Faya, stop. Devadatt, continue. Ghana. Last one. Ghana Gakar sab.
Ma'am, I can't see.
Devadatt. Devadatt.
The sound is cracking.
Continue, Devadatt. Why you didn't listen, Devadatt? Third line. Ghana Gakar. Don't waste. Devadatt. Not seeing. Devadatt, please read. Please read, Devadatt. Page number 8. Last paragraph, Devadatt.
Yes.
Yes. Louder. It's not clear. Hello?
Yes,
Devadatt? Devadatt, not clear, Devadatt.
दावत के तारीफ कर रहे थे
तारीफ कर रहे थे. Once more, please. Not clear, Devadatt.
मर्द ज़्यादा सभी लोमड़ी की दावत की तारीफ कर रहे थे.
Yes, कर रहे थे. Okay. Please, all should read 5 times at least. Okay, will you read?
Yes, ma'am.
That difficult word I will send through WhatsApp. I will send.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please write and study.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Read.
Okay, ma'am.
Next class should read. Daksha. Yes. Let's say yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next class, Daksh will read first.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Time over. Say bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.